Are you ready? Hi, I'm Steve from 1233D. Today we are giving you our own brand filament range in the Rainbow PLA. With, obviously, as you can see, we have printed with all variants. I wouldn't come to expect anything else. It prints beautifully. Beautiful. We printed the same vase, a very high detail vase with plenty of overhangs and whatever else, so that it will highlight any flaws basically, and that there is none. Across the range of PLA, the filament prints default settings. You don't need to tweak or mess around with anything within your slicer. I think typically, depending on what speed you're printing at, 220 to 230 on the nozzle, between 50 and 60 degrees on your bed, and you are golden. So I shall go through the actual colours or names for each said filament that we have on our tower. So this one, in my opinion, I don't know what colour you would call that, a purpley blue to a red, pink, back to green. This is called Earth Blend. People that are wanting to create more unique products, no two are going to be the same. It is definitely worth a look. So next up, another pretty one, we have Ocean Melange. Very fancy swanky name. So blue to green to blue to green. So that one is more of a dual colour opposed to a tricolour. And then this one, very nice looking, simply called Flame. So we've got orange fading into pinky red to orange again to the pinky red. And then we have this one, which is Twilight. I'm not sure why it's called Twilight, and it does look similar to the Earth Blend, albeit the green is more greener and the blue is more bluer and the red is more redder. So this one, again, Twilight, another nice one. And then we have a Rainbow Patina, like a bronzy brown into silver into a goldish colour. And then, last but not least, Aquamarine. So blue into purple into green, and then obviously then at the bottom of the print there, it does start to fade back into the blue. We then proceeded to print a couple of flexes, because who doesn't love a flexi? And we thought it would be a good way to show the actual layering transition. So I tasked Chris with the job of printing out a couple. This one will have been the Earth Blend. So it gives a nice transition from the bottom. And then this one again, this one is Ocean Melange. So again, nice transition. Obviously, depending on your infill density, your wall count and the height of your print will determine the transition that you get. Hence the dragons have only got 2 transitions because they're only very low. They're not very infill dense, so you're not going to use a lot of filament. Basically, the name of the game is throughout the actual spool, the colours will, over a certain length, transition from one shade into the next in a delicate, supple way. As you can see from the spools, these are all spools that we've opened and part used. So you do get 1 kilogram of filament on every spool, and obviously it's wound and packaged correctly. The colours will look varying depending on which one you buy. It's just how they've been wound. So you might end up with, I don't know, this one for instance starting off with the green opposed to the blue. But yeah, this is what they produce. This is just another part of our range. These are all silk PLAs, so they give you a nice shiny finish, more aimed at the people that are wanting unique decorative type prints that don't require any painting, finishing or anything else. If you want to create something for your Etsy shop customers, for a gift for a family member.
We happy? Vincent! We happy?
Yeah, we happy.
Whatever it may be, these are prime for that purpose. You're very, very hard pressed to get 2 prints the same, just purely based on the transitions that you're going to get throughout the filament. If you've got any questions regarding this filament out of the range or any of our other filaments, please do drop them in the comments box below. We'd love to hear from you. Your feedback is key. So yeah, please, comments, write some. And also, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It really helps us out, obviously, to grow the channel. So I hope you've enjoyed the video and found it useful and informative. And as I say, if you do have any questions, please drop it in the comments box below. From me, that is it. I'm out. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye for now.
As always, we aim to have the most competitive 3D printer prices on the market. If you see any of our printers being sold by a mainstream retailer for less, please drop us an email using the link in the description and we'll do our very best to beat their price. Also, if you're watching from outside the UK, check the description for links to our European 123 3D sister stores.